So it is, I don't even know what day it is. I'm in the middle of shipping off some stuff for the giveaway that we did. I'm kind of late in the game shipping things off. I don't know. Well, it's been a lot going on this week, so it's been a lot, okay? And I'll fill you guys in a little bit on what's been going on. But anyway, yeah. So I'm getting these things shipped off, and I got a bunch of orders that I'm gonna pack. So we're gonna pack some orders. I'm looking for my thank you cards. I actually ordered some thank you cards from this new website, and I'm gonna see how they look. But for now, I'm gonna have to use these. And I like to do a little bit of a thank you card to people that purchase boxes from me. So we're gonna gather these things together. And then you guys remember these. I'm getting my palettes together. I gotta get some palettes. So I got all the materials. I need to have like a good organization for where I'm gonna keep things, because right now they're just all over. Okay guys, so here's the jam. Look at all of these papers that I actually printed out, which is insanity. And that's a no-no, right? Because I'm wasting like a lot of my ink. I'm wasting, and even though I have like instant ink, it's like I don't want to waste all my ink printing out all of these different things. So I've decided that I'm gonna go to a place and I'm gonna have them printed professionally, because like I said, you know, people are really starting to enjoy them, so I want to go ahead and print them. So yeah, that's a good thing. If you know you have a lot of orders, or you know, you sell out of a particular thing, it's good to mass produce all of your promotional materials, like paperwork and stuff like that, so that you don't have to worry about it.
Yes. After what you did to us, to me. What I did to you.
I'm ready to open the new computer, you guys. I've been wanting this for so long, and I'm super excited you guys get to open it with me, so let's go. Oh my god, you guys. So I'm super excited. I opened it. It's like really thin and beautiful. I actually seen it when I was in the Best Buy already. It seems like it's pretty simple instructions, so I'm gonna set her up. I'm excited. Yes. Oh my god, you guys. Look how nice and sleek that is. You know, the crazy thing, I haven't bought myself anything extravagant, especially a computer, in a very long time. Let's look at the keyboard. Reveal. Ooh. It looks clean now. It's probably going to be dirty as we start to move on, but yeah. Except. See, I was trying to get it to do it, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna. Ooh, look at that touchscreen. Ew, look at that. Backlit.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
All right, y'all. So just like I told you, I went out and I actually, the official prints are here. Look how beautiful they are. It looks super professional, very nice. All I have to do is cut them down to size, pop them in my art boxes. So I went ahead and I got like lots of stacks of these things, and it just looks gorgeous. I'm super happy with them. And I also have like some official kind of cards for, yeah. So I'm excited. So let's pack some orders. Okay, gang, so now that the packaging is pretty much come to an end, my day is not over. Our day is not over. I still have to do some painting because I need to get this prepared so I can actually generate a like a link to actually add into one of the orders so people can be able to access this behind the scenes tutorial, which of course, because you guys are my patrons, you also have access to. So yeah, you can see a little behind the scenes painting action, and if you want to catch the full tutorial, you can check it out on Patreon. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.